Hello guys, welcome back to Soil Science channel. Today we will talk about soil cover. Soil cover is a complex, unique, living layer of earth, extending on land and even underwater at shallow depths of marshes, lakes and seas. So, how does soil cover appear? The upper horizons of rocks, lithosphere, are crushed under the influence of living organisms, precipitation, solar heat, and wind, and are eroded by groundwater. Thus, stones, rocks, and hard rocks are gradually transformed into independent soil cover. The soil, in contrast to the rock, provides, among other things, fertility. Thus, it is capable to create the harvest of plants. What is soil from scientific point of view? On the picture you see the founder of the soil theory, the famous Russian scientist Dokuchaev. He described the soil as a function of underlying rock, living organisms, climate, relief, and time. Depending on the combination of soil formation factors, different soils appear in different areas. The entire set of soils on the surface is called the world soil cover. Soil science is a system science. To understand the essence and properties of soil cover, you need to combine the principles of such sciences as chemistry, physics, biology, geography, geology, geomorphology, geochemistry, geophysics, and many others. On the other hand, soil cover is independent natural body, and the other hand is an open system that consistently interacts with other shells of the planet, like rocks, atmosphere, hydrosphere, and etc. Soil science is probably the most complex science on Earth, and of course, very interesting. And why do we need soil cover? The soil accumulates a lot of energy in the form of plant organic matter. Soil organics nourishes plants and together with minerals creates a home for living organisms. Food and plant sources of energy that humanity receives due to soil make soil cover the most important strategic resource of humanity. Soil cover the environment, place and condition of life of people, animals and plants. Many species live exclusively in the soil. Others use the soil cover for metabolism. The soil is central part in the planetary circles of matter and energy exchange. The soil cover and its vegetation have a significant impact on the composition of atmospheric air, along with the main gas actor of the planet, of course, the world ocean. The soil and the vegetation cover determines the dynamics of oxygen, carbon dioxide, nitrogen, hydrogen, and other elements. The chemical composition of the soil affects the chemistry of rivers, seas, and oceans. The most valuable natural resources like coal, oil, peat, deposits of iron, aluminium, magnesium, clay, salt, phosphate, and other major deposits of largely available for people due to the ancient soil-forming processes and the long-term impact of ancient soil cover and vegetation of sedimentary rocks. If in ancient times there was no soil-forming processes, now we didn't even have such important fossil resources. The applied significance of the soil cover is all types of agriculture, of course, industry, construction, medicine, resorts, cosmetology, beauty, and study of our past, climate change, and of course, food security. Now you understand why soil science it's not just a fascinating science, but literally a necessity for solving the most complex challenges of humanity. In the era of progressive increase in anthropogenic pressure of natural ecosystems, soil science is a subject of particular relevance for people. So guys, now you understand what is soil cover, and please Tell me in the comments what fascinates you the most about soil cover of the world. And of course, share this video with your friends. Do not forget to subscribe to Soil Science channel. And if you have any questions about soil and soil science, please leave them in the comments down below this video. See you!